Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda. Today I have a big surprise. You have asked me a lot to upload this video. Look how beautiful it is. It is an asymmetric vest. What do you think? I have been traveling a lot lately. That's why I couldn't make the video before. My friends from other countries that can go and learn how to make this vest in expos with me, well, here's your opportunity to learn how to make it. So let's don't lose more time. Let's start right away. You will see how easy it is. To start this vest, you will need 400 grams of yarn of middle thickness. I choose this one with little flowers on it. It's so pretty and we will use our fingers to make it. Remember, if you don't want to use your fingers, you can use a hook of number 15 or 12. At the end of the video, I will share all the information where you can get all of these materials. So let's start. We will start with a yarn over and we will start crocheting with our finger, making chains, or with our hook of number 12 or 15, like this. We will have to make sure that our finger will fit on them, like this, a little bit loose. Look. So here we have 3 chains, 4. We will make 27 chains for a medium size. If you want to make a large size, you will crochet 30 chains. We will start making one sleeve, and from there we will form all the garment. I will continue making the 27 chains and see you when I finish. Now that we finish the 27 chains, let's make one more. And let's start making single crochet. We have this hole and this one. We will always take the below part of the chain. We will start crocheting in the second chain because in the first one it's a little bit difficult, like this until we have 27 single crochet. Well, look, I already finished the 27 single crochet. Turn over and right away start crocheting in the first chain. In the first stitch, we will take both parts of the chain and we will make again single crochet. Remember, we are going to take only the back part of the chain. I call it single crochet of rib because it looks like one. Look. I will make it slowly. We will crochet like this 3 more rows. Here we have 1 and 2. Now we are marking the third one. Remember to count always 27 stitches. Well, look, here I have 3 rows. I'm going to crochet the last stitch. Remember that the first and the last stitch will be crochet taking both parts of the chain. If we don't make this, we will have a hole here. Look, here I have 3 rows ready. So we have 27 stitches and we will divide into 3, each part of 9 stitches. Use these markers to divide these sections. It's very important to use them because if not, you will lose your count. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Well, here I already divide in 3 sections with 9 stitches each. These first 9 will be crocheted one by one. This second part we will crochet 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The last 9 will be crocheted one by one. We will increase stitches in the middle to form the shape of the vest that we want. Remember, all the stitch will be with single crochet, taking the back part of the chain. And remember to not crochet tight because later it won't look good. Okay, so the first 9 will be made one by one like this. Look, here we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, I will move the marker here. The last 9 will be crocheting with 2 single crochet in one chain, in the next one single crochet, and in the next one 2 single crochet. So we will continue like this just in this section. So we will crochet 2 single crochet in one chain, and in the next one single crochet in one chain, and then 2, and then 1, and next 2 until we finish the 9 stitches. The last 9 you will crochet 1 single crochet in one chain, and like this until you finish the row. When you finish this row, you will crochet 3 more rows of 1 single crochet in each chain, and then you will divide this project into 3 sections again. So I will crochet 3 rows more and see you when I finish. Look, here I finished 3 rows. You can count the rows like this. Okay, here where is the marker, you will start counting. Here we have 1, 2, and 3. If you count the stitches, you will have 32. So then now we will divide into 3. So we will have 10, 10, and in the middle 12. If you have 1 stitch left, include this one in the middle section. There is no a rule to have always exact number, especially when you crochet with fingers. So don't worry if you don't have 32 stitches. So we will crochet 10, 12, and 10. Depending on the division and stitches you have, the numbers will vary, and you will repeat the same. You will crochet 1 single crochet in one chain, and the stitches from the middle will be crocheting 2 single crochet in one chain, and the last stitches 1, 1, 1. Well, I repeat here what I explained. 6 rows more, 3 rows of single crochet, 1 increase, 3 rows, 1 row with increase. So this is what I made. For 6 more rows. Remember that you have to use your markers, are very helpful and you can find everywhere. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is what I made 6 times for a small or medium size. If you want a large size, you have to repeat this 7 times instead of 6. Once you finish, you will crochet 1 row of single crochet all around the garment and you will leave 15 stitches. Okay, so you go all around and you will stop there, leaving 15 stitches. Then you will come back again crocheting 1 row of single crochet and leaving again 15 stitches in the other side. So let's start. Look, here I finished the 2 rows, leaving 15 stitches each side. So I leave 15 here and 15 here. Okay, now we will come back crocheting and we will leave 10 stitches in this side, and we come back crocheting and leave again 10 stitches in the other side. This is for build the shape that we want. So crochet 2 rows more, leaving 10 stitches each side. So look here, I leave 15 here and 15 here and 10 and 10. This is because I want a long vest. Remember that we are going to crochet only this part from here to here. We are not going to touch this part from here and here for now. We are going to work only with this part. Now we will crochet 2 rows more to match the size of the garment, because look how it looks. To match these sides, take this stitch and this one too. So now, cut the thread and make a knot here. Then we will hide this thread, don't worry. Remember, we will crochet with single crochet 2 rows. Well, I will make these rows and see you when I finish. Here I finished the 2 rows. I matched the sides and it looks better, no? Or what do you think? And now I have a long vest. Now we are going to join this side with this one from here. Like this. Look. This one with this one. So this will be our front part and this one our back. We will close these sides with single crochet, just join few stitches to form the shoulders. And here just make single crochet. At the end you will have this hole, this will be the neck, and this will be our shoulders. This hole is where the arm will be, and this will be the part for our body. Okay, so let's join with single crochet the shoulders. I want you to see how it is. It's one stitch from here and one stitch from here. Remember to join with single crochet. You have to calculate the size. If this part is too wide, join with 6 stitches. I think in this case it doesn't look like that, so it's okay. Join with just 5 stitches in this size and 5 here. And it's looking good, right? Well, I will continue, and when I finish, I will see you. Look, here I close with 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Crochet all along this side of the neck, and here I count the number of stitches to form the other shoulder. In this case, I should count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here I will start joining. Look, here we are making the shoulders. Remember that the shape of our garment will depend a lot of the way you crochet. If you crochet loose, you will have a large size. So I suggest to tie a little bit your garment while you are crocheting, just if you used to crochet loose. Well, here I'm finishing to join this part. It will look like this. Cut and make a knot. And start making single crochet all along this sides to form the other shoulder, like this, like we made before. This thread hide it while you are crocheting. Well, I will finish this single crochet all around the neck, and then when we finish, we will increase. So make sure that you make the single crochet all around the neck and finish your shoulders. And when I finish, I will see you. Here I have the shoulders ready, and I already made 1 row of single crochet around the neck. Now we will increase. In 1 stitch we will make 2 single crochet. In this part of the project we will take both parts of the chain. In the next chain we will only make 1 single crochet in 1 chain. So see 1 double, 1 simple, like this the whole row. Here I finished this row. Now that we are here, turn over your garment and make single crochet, only taking the back part of the chain, like this, all the row. We are going to make this to have the same stitch here and here. If we crochet around, it will look different, the stitch. So each row we have to turn over our garment to make sure it would look the same. You will stop making this until you have the desired length of your neck. So let's continue and see you when I finish. So what do you think? Here is the asymmetric vest. Here I crochet the neck with less rows. And in this one I add more rows to the neck. It is up to you, both ways look good. On you will look so good, it will create an amazing figure on you, especially with this kind of yarn that has flowers on it. Well, here it is the result of our work and effort. Hope you enjoy making it. a like. Thanks for watching.